Welcome. I'm Jennifer, a certified holistic wellness coach and registered health coach with Health Coach Alliance. I'm also a certified yoga, Pilates, and meditation teacher. Aside from my education, I have experienced and learned through personal challenges such as health issues, divorce. I'm a single mom. I've moved, I've had career changes, and I have dealt with grief. We are all unique. I am here to listen, support, and guide you so that you can learn how to manage stress and anxiety, rebuild your self-confidence, create clarity so that you can move forward in your life feeling healthy and happy and fulfilled. I have single sessions, plus I have developed programs for healing relationships, positive mindset, finding your purpose, eating healthy, bringing movement back into your life, and also learning about rest and sleep. These are all vital for your well-being. My virtual platform offers flexibility no matter where you are. We can always stay in contact. I would love for you to reach out. I know that this can be difficult, but sometimes in our life, we need that extra little bit of support to help lift us up when we're going through challenges and changes. If you are ready for a lasting transformation, I am here for you. Feel empowered and beautiful from the inside out.